Hey, what's up you guys? It's Matt here, back with another video. Before I start any of my content, I would really appreciate it if you smash that like button, comment down below. Also, if you could smash that subscribe button and notification button so you never miss out on anything that I post. That'll really benefit my channel, and I appreciate everybody who's viewing my content. So what I'm talking about in this video is actually what's in my wallet. I have a lot of things in my wallet. I just want to go over with you what I carry around and really what I use it for and why I carry it around. So I'm hoping that this can give you an idea on what you should be carrying around in your wallet. And I'm hoping that it would be able to focus you on what you normally spend money on and what you can actually save on by a form of cash back or percentage off or whatever. So I'm gonna start out with a couple of things that aren't really necessarily credit cards. They're just things that I really carry around. I don't know why I still carry it around. I haven't used it yet. I can't wait until it gets to be warmer out, is a Dick's Sporting Goods gift card. I love Dick's Sporting Goods. If you don't know me, I love to golf. I love to play football. I love to play sports. My next thing that I actually carry around in my wallet is Men's Wearhouse Perfect Fit. I love suits. I wear a suit every day to work, and this is definitely something that I need. I go to Men's Wearhouse a lot, and I love shopping there, so that speaks for itself. To get into some of my credit cards, you already are aware of what credit cards I love because I did have a couple of videos on it, but I'm gonna get into it anyways. The first credit card that's in my wallet is the American Express Gold Card. This is my favorite card, like I've said in a previous video and I think in another video before that. I love this card. If you're not aware of the perks, you get 4 times points on supermarkets, 4 times points on restaurants, no foreign transaction fees, and the list goes on and on. If you haven't seen my American Express video, I'll definitely put a link down below. Like I said before, I love this card, and the reason that I carry it around is because I can get all of these extra points on supermarkets, on restaurants, on everything that I really want, on normal bills, especially in the first couple of months because I gained my 50,000 points. So I carry it around a lot, and it definitely holds weight. So I love this card. The next thing that I carry around in my wallet is the Amazon Prime card. I love this card. I love using it on Amazon Prime. The reason that I carry it around is just because of cybersecurity. I mean, I really don't trust leaving my stuff on Amazon. I know you can link it on Amazon, but you never know what's out there. If you're on public Wi-Fi, then you might have trouble because someone might be hacking into your stuff. So I'm always aware of that, and I carry it around so that I can enter it every single time. I know it's a waste of time, but it's pretty much gonna save my ass. So I mean, that you can't beat that. My next thing that's in my wallet is my Discover It card. This gives me 2% cash back on pretty much on everything actually. The only thing is that some places don't take it around my area, like movie theaters, but I still get 2% on most of the things that I buy. So it only makes sense to have this. Like I said, I really love this card, and this also holds weight. That's why I'm holding it, and it has value. It has a ton of value that the other cards don't provide. One more card that I do put in my wallet that I do use from time to time is my Lowe's Advantage card. I talked about this before. I love going to Lowe's, and when I can go to Lowe's, I never know when I'm gonna need to go to Lowe's. It snowed recently in my area, and I needed salt for the sidewalk. And I went there, got salt, got 5% off. It only made sense because I have my Lowe's card. If I didn't have it, then I wouldn't get 5% off. I would get 2% off. If you haven't seen any of my credit card videos when it comes to top 5 free credit cards, I'll definitely put that link down there so that you can check it out and see what cards I was talking about, see all the perks to these cards. If you look inside my wallet, the only thing that I have in there, I carry around a little bit of cash, just $5 bill. Most of the time I won't carry anything more than a 20 because you really don't need cash in this day and age. But it's always great to have cash. You never know who's gonna need it. So that's what I carry around. This wallet, if you're interested in what the actual wallet is, I believe it's a Coach wallet. I don't know if I could find the link, but if I can, I'll definitely put it down in the description. I love this wallet. It's really thin. I mean, if you put more cards in it, it won't be that thin. So these are the things that I carry around, and I carry them around for a reason. I don't carry around too much, because then if I do, then I'm gonna have a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there, and I wanna make sure I split it maybe 33%, 33%, 33%, or split it in other ways. But I only carry around a certain amount of things because they do give me perks. So like for the American Express, I like to gain all my travel perks from there. For the Discover card, I like to get 2% on most of the things that I can get back. So no matter what, I'm always getting something in return. No matter if I spend $1,000, I know that I'm getting 2%. If you have a significant other and you know that you can gain value in other areas, like say Target, my wife will have the Target Red card so that she can use that. You have to know how to split cards. So I don't want her to carry around more than she has to. I don't want myself to carry around more than I have to. So always understand what's in your wallet. I definitely go through my wallet and change cards all the time. And it's not something that I go and change my card every year. I look and see what I gain value out of in the month when I look through like my bank statements or my transactions in a credit card statement or anything like that. And it helps me out to be able to have those things in there. So this is a very short video. I love to talk about things that are in my wallet. Not to everybody. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and go to someone and say, hey, look at my credit card. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just saying that I like to give people advice, and if you can carry around the necessary things, it limits the amount of things you have in your wallet. Sometimes I see people with wallets like this thick, and they have 10 credit cards in there, and they have their ID, they have tons of cash, they have all of these different like gift cards, old gift cards, new gift cards, things in their wallet. And it just makes it look overgrown, and it's hard to carry around. If you want to put it in your back pocket, it feels like you basically have a book back there. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Also, if you could hit that subscribe button and notification button so you never miss out on anything that I post. I'm gonna post a lot of quality content related to credit cards, reviews on credit cards, also investment ideas, things like that. So please share this with your friends, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.